I'm 680 News Senior Business Editor Mike Eppel. Well, prepare yourself accordingly because a week from tomorrow, we are expecting the cost of borrowing to go up. The Bank of Canada is anticipated to raise its benchmark interest rate 0.25%. All the big Canadian banks on Bay Street are now projecting higher interest rates and, in effect, mortgage rates after all of the latest Canadian economic statistics have come in better than forecast, including the latest reading on job creation, which came out last week from the folks at Stats Canada, pointing to more than 400,000 jobs created across the country over the past year. And the Bank of Canada's Business Outlook survey also signaling that a lot of businesses out there are having a hard time finding skilled labor to find job openings. So this could lead to tightening of monetary policy. This is going to raise the cost of borrowing and also potentially slow down the Canadian real estate market, which is going to be interesting considering the new rules that just took effect on mortgage borrowing at the start of the year. Cost of gas is going up a little bit at midnight tonight, and we're expecting that to continue to climb later this week because the price for oil is at a 2.5-year high. According to the folks at Enpro, the price for the pumps in the GTA this evening going up by a penny to an average $1.22.9. Price for oil itself hit $62 and change on world markets in the U.S. today because the supply-demand balance is getting a little bit better, or at least more to the supply side of the equation. So we could see that price for oil continue to climb going forward. Amazon stock hit another record today and effectively made Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon.com, the world's richest man ever. His net worth, with his stock holding in the company now at $105 billion U.S. That surpassed the previous record held by Bill Gates during the dot-com boom when Microsoft was going off the chart back in the early 2000s. Now, Bill Gates would actually be worth more than Jeff Bezos if he had not been giving away a lot of his money. About $50 billion has already been given to charity through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Jeff Bezos actually recently putting out a request on Twitter for people to give him ideas regarding philanthropic efforts. The Oprah Effect in full effect. Oprah Winfrey's holding in Weight Watchers. She bought in a couple of years back, and the stock's gone up ever since for the most part. The company's got a new program to start the year, and all of the talk about Oprah perhaps running for U.S. president in 2020. This has seen Weight Watchers shares go up by about 15% over the past couple of trading days at a record high. And BlackBerry climbing to its highest price since 2014. Shares of the Waterloo-based software company moving to almost $18 per share, far cry from its all-time record, but nevertheless the company's seeing bigger sales in software related to connected cars and the QNX operating system, which BlackBerry sells. The Dow Jones hit another record today. The old names Deere, Caterpillar, Boeing, they hit records, and the NASDAQ was up for the 6th day in a row. It's hit records in 4 of 6 trading days this year. From the 680 Newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.